There's a powerful new AI tool inside Canva that most people don't even know about. And once you know it exists, it might save you a surprising amount of time. In this video, I'm going to show you what this AI tool does, why it's so useful, and how you can start using it in just a few seconds. Let's get started.
So for today's video, I'm gonna try something a little different. Recently, I did this for a project I was working on, and I'm gonna show you how to do it too. Right now, I'm in Canva, and I've already opened up a window. Next, I'll come over here and search for a man as my model. I'm going to Photos, and I'll choose this guy. I'll enlarge him a little more on the page, just like that. Notice this image has the crown on it, so it is not a free image, but you could use a free image if you wanted to. Next, I'm going to add something to it also because Canva doesn't want to download stock images by themselves. So I'll come over here to Elements, and let's add this on it. Next, I'll go down to Shapes and add this for right now. Next, I'll go here to File and download it as a PNG. Now I'll add a page. So that's the original. Now I'll take my design, come to Uploads, and put it in there. Then I'll add this, and I'll get rid of this. Next, I'll go to Eraser and get rid of that. And now it's gone. That's perfect. Now I'm going to make sure my image is clicked on, then click on Edit and go to Magic Studio. I'm going to choose this tool called Magic Edit, click on that. Now you have an opportunity to either use the brush or to click. Watch this. I'm going to keep it right about there. Okay, and now I'm going to put this man in a tuxedo. You see right now he's wearing very casual clothes. I'll add my prompt. So let's click Generate and see what happens. Canva is going to make me 4 different images to choose from. Oh, cool. So let's go through them all. Okay, I think I like this one the best, so I'll click Done. There's a little bit of something down here, but no problem. I'll click on this and go to Magic Eraser and erase that just like that. So now you can see the before and after. Isn't that cool? What kinds of projects will you use this tip for? Feel free to share them in the comments below. I read them all.
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.